We all have so many passwords to remember. But through our mobile banking app, you can now access your accounts with Touch ID. Touch ID allows you to use your fingerprint in lieu of a password. To set up your Touch ID for OE Federal, you'll want to begin by opening the mobile banking app and signing in with your login ID and password like you normally would. Once signed in, click on the menu button on the top left corner. Click the Settings button towards the bottom, then select Login and Security. Now, click the button that says Off next to Touch ID to turn it on. After reading the content, click Continue. On this page, you'll need to enter your login ID and password to confirm activation of Touch ID, followed by hitting the Authorize button. You'll be prompted with this screen. To complete setup, place your finger on the phone's fingerprint sensor. Your Touch ID is now set up. You now have a quicker and still secure way to access your accounts while having one less password to remember.